The Infinity token has launched on MDB. We're going to take a look at how much you can earn from staking it. Also, we're going to take a look at the overall health of the MDB protocol right now. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel. If you would have watched this video right here, you would have gotten to the Infinity whitelist. The current price of Infinity is 53 cents. The whitelist price was 20 cents. If you would have bought in the whitelist, you would be up 260%, right? Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any opportunities like that in the future. And make sure you drop a like, because I know you're going to like the APY you get from staking the Infinity token. Let's jump into the chart like we always do. We'll start with Infinity. Infinity came up from 20 cents. That was the launch price and whitelist price. It jumped all the way up to $1.20 or $1.02, sorry, at one point. And then it came back down to reality, and it's been between about 36 cents and 57 cents for the last few days. And it's right around 51 and a half cents right now. It is pretty volatile. They said it would be volatile, but there's a very low circulating supply, so it can move up pretty quick and down pretty quick. Now let's take a look at the Mdb chart, and here it is. This is the daily. It's just going up really nicely. This is the middle of a bear market, we have to realize, and this is what the price action is just amazing. I got in around, I think I did my first video, and the price was around 0.007 when I did the first video on MDB. I've been DCAing in cents, and I haven't bought any in a while, but I'm staking all of my MDB, and I have not sold any. Not financial advice, but I still think it's got a long way to go. If we get any type of bull rally or positive rally, I think this thing could really go. I'm starting to see a lot more people talking about it recently, it seems like, and it's just a great project, and tokenomics are phenomenal. And last but certainly not least is Mdb Plus. I did an entire video on this. I can leave the link in the description. This has been phenomenal. It's an appreciating stablecoin, and it's just been appreciating. It's doing exactly what they said it would do. It does have its ups and downs, but I guess you could kind of almost time the market and just use this trend line, and you could have probably did some trading with it too. If you bought it when it hit the gold line and you sold when it hit the top, I guess we can make a top trend line. You probably could have done pretty well for yourself. I haven't really looked at it in that way, but maybe I should start. But that's Mdb Plus. It's probably the safest out of the MDB tokens to invest in. Okay, now the reason we're all here. So how much could you make staking Infinity? Well, Infinity's APY right now is 158.1%. The only APY higher on Xenia right now is the Mdb BNB farm. Which one is safer? At this point, depending on if you buy BNB when it's really low, then maybe the farm. But it looks like so far that Infinity's been pretty steady price-wise, a lot steadier than I thought it would be. Can it appreciate more? Yeah, for sure it could. They're burning tokens here and there, so Mdb BNB at 205 or Infinity at 158. I guess flip a coin or whatever your preference is. I'm actually in both, so I like it because I'm staking Infinity and I'm getting a high APY and accumulating more MDB, and then I'm accumulating more MDB from the Mdb BNB farm. and eventually BNB is going to go up, so that that liquidity pair will appreciate in value over time. So that's my strategy. I'm taking all the coins that I get from rewards from farm and from Infinity, and then I'm staking the single stake MDB, and then getting another 20.46%. So I'm getting rewards here, getting rewards here, and then I'm going ahead and putting them in here. If I knew we were at a bottom, would I mix more with the MDB BNB farm? Probably, but at this point I don't really trust the market. I would rather trust the charts where MDB is appreciating and BNB is not. I also wanted to take a look at the trust fund report for August. It's September now, so we can look back and see what investments they have and what they've done with them. And everything looks good to me. I highlighted some stuff here. I'll just kind of go over like the summary real quick. Over the past 30 days, the trust fund has undergone extensive management and allocation reform with the goal of deriving yield from all assets under management. The following asset allocation adjustments have been made throughout the month to further increase the yield generated from all trust fund assets. These are a couple ones that I highlighted. Protocol owned liquidity deployments within Xenia to increase MDB burn rate directly from Xenia liquidity rewards, which that is great. So they're increasing the MDB burn rate directly from the liquidity rewards. And then also down here, the trust fund has enjoyed a 31.8% increase from last month ending, and then which has directly resulted in $19,236 of direct revenue for the trust fund. Also down here, they have a list of the NFTs that they own. 13 Phoenix Fire Club NFTs are part of the trust fund. Down here they have a breakdown, allocation breakdown, and they show the exact percentages of what's the breakdown of in the trust fund. And then down here in the conclusion, I highlighted a few items that I liked a lot. Capture low risk yield. That's exactly what you want to do in a bear market. More MDB than ever is now being captured for burning by means of protocol-owned liquidity deployments. The protocol and trust fund continue to outperform the larger financial markets by means of continued yield-bearing deployments, and by doing so to generate yield that is directly returned to the protocol and investors, like it should be. That is very, very bullish. Mdb is one of my favorite projects. I've been bullish on it for a while. It just seems like it's starting to gain some traction with some other investors now, which is really bullish for the future. I think the addition of the Infinity token was great for the Mdb ecosystem, and being able to see this trust fund report, it makes me even more bullish on it. So thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do drop a like below. I really appreciate it. As always, thank you and have a great day.